Hi, this is Brian M. Curran from DraftedServices.com, and I'm shooting a video of the project site I'm at today. I am a little ways upstate New York in Westchester County, and I'm doing some drawings of a house here. I'll take you inside quick. It's kind of a Frank Lloyd Wright type house. Here is the main living area. Back around here is the kitchen. That's the front entrance. And then here is kind of a shared common area. I have some doors open. To my right here are 1, 2, 3 bedrooms. We have a little laundry room straight ahead, and there's the bath, the shared common bath. Then there's a bedroom back there, and then this is kind of the master bedroom. And I say that because here is the bathroom here that is right off the bedroom, and then it goes back into the common area. So this is what I'm working on today, and I thought I'd show you around quickly. Thanks for checking out my video, and if you're ever in need of existing condition drawings of whether it's a house upstate or something in the city, then please feel free to give me a ring anytime. Thanks for checking out my video, and have a fantastic day.